As useful and well-written a blog post might be, it is likely that after some way through, it may begin to tire the reader. At the same time, reading paragraphs of text can get boring. More often than not, users will begin to read a post without reaching the end. For the above-mentioned reasons, it is necessary to add at least one photo in every document, if not more. The photographs should break the document into smaller sections. Writing this way is relaxing for the eyes of the readers, as they will not see one paragraph after another without stopping. Additionally, our article will also be less text-based. It will not give the impression of an endless list of words, but of a pleasantly worded article accompanied by images. Of course, the images that we use should be related to the content of our article. Even if it is not entirely relevant, we can find photos that have even an indirect relationship, if not with the text, at least with the object of our blog. As already explained, the purpose of photography is to make the text more pleasant and relax our eyes. If we use something entirely irrelevant, for example a picture of a clown inside an article about computers, only a few will be interested in directly relating the photo with the content of the article. A problem often encountered by people who start a blog is to find relevant images to complement each article. Unfortunately, we cannot just do a simple search on Google and download any image we like. If the photographs are protected by copyright, and this is what usually happens, we are not allowed to use them. This restriction applies even if we mention the source. Even if we reference the source of the photo, we are still violating the copyright of the photographer, and hence we are doing something illegal. We have many solutions for finding legal images. First, we can reach out to an image bank. The most popular are www.gettyimages.com, Fotolia.com, www.dreamstime.com, www.shutterstock.com. Such services provide you with a variety of excellent quality pictures, whose cost rarely exceeds €1 per photo. If you want to reduce the cost of your blog to a minimum, you can search for free photos. The easiest method is to have Google work for you. First, we go to image search, and then type in the keyword of interest. For example, vegan. Then click on Search Tools. As you can see below, various options will appear. In this case, we are interested in user rights. When we click this, we will see the following results. First, we need to see if a photo is permitted for commercial use. If you cannot find any with this permission, we can look at those for which commercial purpose is not typically allowed. Although this is an irregularity, as already explained, it is generally a safe practice, and you can resort to this if you do not find alternatives. But what happens if we do not find anything worthwhile through Google? Fortunately, we have other solutions. We can use some of these services that have free pictures with very high quality. Pixabay, Unsplash, Morguefile, Free Digital Photos, Digital Dreamer, Stock Vault, Creative Commons Search, PicFinder, Dreamstime, Big Stock Photo, Fotolia, Veer, PhotoPin, Death to Stock Photos, Free Media Goo, Gratisography, Big Photo, I Am Creator, Free Photos Bank. Another alternative to the above solutions are the photos found on the website Getty, http://www.gettyimages.com/embed. Using Getty, we can search for more than 35 million professional quality photos. Let us assume that we're looking for pictures of cats. We can type cat in the search field and press enter to display the image results. Then we can select any one of the images that fits our blog post. For instance, let's suppose that we chose the photo on the right. Then we click on the button that has these symbols, and we see the following window appearing. Copy and paste the code into the position in the article that we want to see the photo of the cat. Now we legally have a very nice photo on our blog. Note, the code must be placed in the HTML section of our blog post.